Okay,
Brady, are you all done painting? Why don't you show Kai how to dip your paintbrush in the paint?
Like this, Kai.
Kai, watch Brady. Kai. You're going to dip them in all of them?
Yeah.
All right, now what you going to draw?
I'm going to draw the play.
The what?
A play.
A play?
Yes.
How do you draw a play? Okay. Show me what it looks like.
Look like this. It looks like this way. It's different kind of pool. And it does look like a pool, but it's only for painting.
Just for painting?
Look.
Yeah, no. It's okay. That's okay.
Maybe the one more we can paint some more blue paint and some more wet paint. What's the eye sound? There's a triangle under the paint.
There's a triangle under the paint?
Look. Look.
Oh, I see it. There's a triangle under the paint. I see it. Very good, sweetie. You have good eyes.
Yes, I am.
Good job, Kai. Good job.
What Kai's making?
Looks like Kai's making a rainbow.
I'm going to make a round thing.
A round thing? Like a sun?
No.
Oh, okay, because blue. What about a wheel? Is it going to be a wheel?
It's a way giant wheel.
Oh, really giant wheel? Yep, I see the really giant wheel going round and around and around.
It kind of looks like a plane. Oh, this. Okay. This. These cars have both colors. These ones do. These ones have black paint. Paint?
Paint? Oh, not on mine. Thank you, though. Thank you. No, don't paint on Mommy. Oh, yeah, you paint on the paper. You can paint on the sidewalk, too. This paint's okay for the sidewalk.
We can sidewalk. We can.
Yes, you can.
Party that. That's a big puddle.
Big puddle of red. That's okay.
I'm going to make a puddle, too, just like that.
Oh, don't do it on purpose. That was an accident.